Hello. My question's to everyone. I was just wondering which opponent hit the hardest through your career, because all of you have fought some amazing fighters in the sport.
Start with Charles.
Charles, a pergunta é a seguinte: você já enfrentou muita gente do mais alto calibre. Quem que bateu mais forte?
Cara, é difícil. Cada luta tem um time, né? Dutch Poirier, Dutch Gage, Michael Chandler. Quando eu lutei contra o Dutch Gage, todo mundo falava que era o cara que batia mais duro, né? E quando eu bati, ele dobrou. Então, eu acho que o cara que bate mais duro da divisão sou eu, por isso que eu estou em busca desse cinturão BMF. Eu sou o problema dessa divisão. Não importa quem esteja do outro lado, eu vou andar pra frente o tempo inteiro. Então, o mais bravo dessa divisão sou eu.
See, it's very hard to answer, but I mean, Dustin Poirier, Justin Gaethje, Michael Chandler. You know, when I fought Justin Gaethje, they said, well, he's the guy that hit the hardest. When I hit him, he folded. So I'll tell you what, the guy that hits the hardest is me. I'm the hardest, I'm the problem in this division. I'm going for the BMF as well, so I'm the one to do it.
Go ahead, Ty.
What, Dad? Pavlovich hits pretty hard. He hit pretty hard. He got me good, so I'll give him that one.
I'd probably say Topuria if I remembered it, but I'll leave it.
Gilbert Burns kicked me in the arm and snapped it, so he did a pretty good job.
Yeah, you know, honestly, I've only been knocked out one time, so probably the guy that kicked me in the head. But honestly, the hardest puncher was probably like Derek Lewis or one of those heavyweights. Those guys are big. But in terms of the kick, yeah, it was Jones.
Thank you.